Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The Khasi Jaintia Deficit School Teachers Association had met the Additional Chief Secretary in charge of Education Department, DP Walang, on Monday to request his intervention into the various problems faced by teachers across the state. The president of the association, Babu Kular Khongjirem, while speaking to media persons, informed that the association had placed its 4-point demand before the Education Department, whereby issues related to salary amount as per the 5th Pay Commission, pending arrears, regular payment of salary, and pension to all new and old teachers were discussed. Khongjirem added that the meeting had ended on a positive note, wherein they were given an assurance by the Additional Chief Secretary that the demands of the teachers would be taken into account and solutions to the same would be sought for.
Ia keren tang lai sau tuli ki point ibadon kam ibalong immediate demands, immediate issues jangka divisi school teachers. Pat kawai ni kita kalong kajing penkeu ya ka DCRG gratuity. Kat hadu menta mensem tayo menatayo gila pun ginong hika deficit. Bang ngidang yo hi haden ngila asung thai. Nalor non pension tăng lai point san lak một lai lak steng bat kan ne ka mau lai lak steng ni la yo na du khasan khan du snem chwa ti men sem snem ni la ikren ji star di pi walang bat education star ba sumha pen keu no yang ni sya ka sipolang kumbala recommend da ka 50 commission bat kumbaya enjoy lem kiwai ki government servant. Ti nakaliang kesokar kalong justify kata kepunya dawam ni. But haden ngi keren ya kan ni sa DP Walang kumu additional chief secretary. Ilaong yang i ba nakaliang ke department jong i education ila ada clear. Ya kan ni ka DCRG ban penkeu lem yang i ginong hika deficit. But ya kan ni pada kebila ada plan ng department la approve la clear iong kasyong pada ha ka department yang planning bat ka finance di nakaliang jongi ginong hika deficit ni kwa ban ye kendu ya i madam Rivika balong i chief secretary ba in tukla lem lor kan ni ban in persang dana long bala hagini kita yau lani hagini kisngi banwan ngin bu apa man yai kenang ba in sumha ban intalbin lem bahkan ya no kan ni kenang mginong hika deficit kin yo no mdai tang ita ya mau ni bing yo khasan kan dus nem chwa lai lak steng ne ngin yo lem ya ka maximum amount lak as recommended by the 50 commission and also as enjoy by the government employees. Ti ngin sung tenat ngin hab ai kulai isa di pi walang bat ki education department yung i kasokaru ban i ni ya ka ba sumba expedite lani pentrai kam no ya ginong hika deficit ya kan ni ka amau na lord ngimi pension ti kamat ke baar ni kren galong the remaining pending areas of the revised pay scale nila ai kren yo favorable va ni yo RR 100% ti menasnem ni yo RR 100% mensem ru ni yo RR 100%. So far we have received 50% of the revised pay scale of the areas. Ti keberangsa kalong sa 50% smart steng. Ti ya kan ru ni laong isa di Piwalang ikut par yi ba nama la jan ke Christmas festival ni ikut par yi ba insumha ban pelai no la kumnu shua ke Christmas